Today we are going to be restoring the Chrome search engine. When your default search engine redirects to Yahoo, it means that the malware, better known as the browser hijacker, has infected your browser. It modifies your browser settings without your knowledge or permission. Today we're going to be going step by step to fix that and restore the Chrome search engine. Now see how whenever I open a new browser window, it redirects me straight to Yahoo. This is the problem, and this is what we're about to fix. Now the first step in fixing the problem is going to the top right corner and clicking on the three dots and going to settings. On the left side of the screen, you're going to want to press search engine. And then on the search engine using the address bar, you're going to want to make sure that Google is selected. Then you're going to press manage search engines and site search, and Yahoo should show up right here, and you'll click the three right dots on the corner and remove it as an extension. Now on to the next step. You're going to want to press the puzzle piece on the right corner and manage extensions. Then now you're going to be removing any unwanted extensions that you see on this tab. Now you're going to be seeing me go step by step in removing every single extension over here. Now you have restored your Chrome browser and it will take you straight to Google.